Picture this. You're on the verge of closing a major deal with a huge client and you could really use the savvy sales skills of one of your trusty colleagues. With the 3CX Web Client, there's no need to transfer the call or arrange another meeting. We've made conferencing easy so that you can add participants straight to the call with just a few mouse clicks. Click the conference button in the call pop-up, search for your contact by name, extension, or email address, and select the person you wish to add to the call. Your conference has now started, just like that. Need to schedule a conference call for a later date? We've got you covered. Click Schedule Conference in the Web Client menu, enter the conference details, add your participants, and you're all set. Each participant will receive an email with the conference details and instructions on dialing in. Internal participants will even be called automatically, so you needn't worry about missing the call. Are you ready to gain complete control of your communications? Start collaborating better today and grow your business with the powerful UC features of 3CX.